Hi guys, my name is Isabella and today I'm going to be talking about GMO Awareness Campaign. Before we get started, I have a quick question. Do you think that you can tell me which of these two foods is genetically modified? Most people can't, and that's why today we're going to be talking about GMOs. So in this video today, I'm going to explain what GMOs are, why companies use them, the benefits, the risk, and how you can identify them in foods that you eat every single day. This matters because 90% of all soy and corn that are grown in the US are genetically modified. So whether you realize it or not, you're probably eating GMOs already. So let's start simple. GMOs stand for genetically modified organisms. That means that scientists change the DNA of a plant or food to give it new traits. This could be something like making crops resist insects, survive throughout drought, grow faster, or even stay fresh longer. Some common GMOs you've definitely heard of include corn, soybeans, papaya, and even those non-browning apples. Now, why do companies and farmers actually use GMOs? There are benefits. GMOs can increase crop yield, reduce food waste, help plants survive in harsher climates, and make food cheaper to produce. So economically, GMOs save farmers money because crops are less likely to be damaged by pests or weather. This is a big reason you can see GMOs used on such a larger scale. But like anything in the food industry, there are concerns. So some health concerns that we have are some people worry about potential allergens, changes in nutrients, or long-term effects that still fully haven't been studied yet. Environmental concerns that we have are GMOs can contribute to issues like superweeds, that are weeds that become resistant to herbicides, that are also concerned about their cross-pollination where GMOs crops mix with non-GMO ones, and the possible loss of biodiversity. And then lastly, we have social and ethical concerns that are also big ethical questions. Many GMO seeds are patented, meaning farmers have to buy new seeds every year and depend on large corporations for their crops. And there's an ongoing debate on whether GMO foods should always be labeled. So let's talk about science. According to major scientific organizations, GMOs are considered safe to eat based on the research that we have right now. But, and this is important, people still have concerns about things like environmental impacts, corporate control, and long-term effects. So even if the food is safe, considering this conversation around GMOs is still very complicated. So how can you tell if something you're eating is genetically modified? Look for labels like non-GMO, Project Verified, or USDA organic. Organic foods cannot contain any GMOs. So some ingredients to watch. Also check for ingredients that are commonly genetically modified, such as corn syrup, lecithin, canola oil, or cottonseed oil. And some shopping tips. If you want to avoid GMOs, buy organic when you can, shop local, and always read the ingredient list. And then some helpful apps. There are Yuka and Non-GMO Project apps on the App Store on your phone that can scan foods and tell you instantly whether they contain GMOs or not. So to recap, GMOs are foods with altered DNA. They offer benefits with cheaper production and higher crop yields, but they can also come with environmental, ethical, and long-term questions. The most important thing is staying educated so that way you can make choices that fit your health, your benefits, and your lifestyle. If If you learned something today, don't forget to like and comment and share this video. Thank you guys. Bye.